So this is Mooka TV, one of the most affordable TVs you can get right now. And yes, it is selling on Jumia just in time for the Jumia Electronics Megasale. For those wondering, there's an Electronics Megasale going on Jumia.com, which is set to take place from the 17th to the 30th of September. And guys, you can get over 2 million electronics, gadgets, and accessories at up to 60% off. You also get free shipping in Lagos, Port Harcourt, Ibadan, and Abeokuta, plus other freebies, of course. Anyways, back to Mooka TV. Looking at what is inside the box, first thing you probably see is a stand. And the next thing that is inside the box is another stand. Okay, so this is really light. I mean, when I held the box for the first time, I couldn't imagine how light this box is. But yeah, this away. So you also have an adapter for the TV. I think it's the power adapter. You also have a remote control, obviously. And finally, not finally, you have manuals and a warranty card, I guess. There's the screws. And finally, you have batteries. So let's put this away and focus on Mooka TV. Guys, I can literally carry this thing with one hand, no jokes. Okay, not really, but yeah. But it's really light. And yeah, this is Mooka TV. Now, as far as features go, this is not a smart TV, but you get a USB and 2 HDMI ports. There's also something called automatic volume leveler, which obviously controls the level of the volume. As far as specifications go, you have a 32-inch IPS screen along with a feature called DNR, allows you to optimize the pixels. Unfortunately, you are stuck with a HD display, but there's also the fact that this uses a Samsung panel. So guys, that is pretty much all there is with this quick unboxing of the Mooka TV. Let me know what you think, and don't forget you can get this as well as other electronic devices during Jumia Electronics Megasale. And yeah, until I see you in my next video, do have a lovely day. Take care.